Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Eclipse with PyDev for your own Python coding environment setup. So all the download links are posted in Canvas. Okay, you can just click those links to go to different download pages. So the first step is to install Java JDK. So when you click the link in Canvas, you will come to this page. We are installing Java Development Kit. And then, so we accept the license, and then we need to choose which file to download. So since I'm using the Windows system, so my choice will be either x86 or x64. x86 means it is for 32-bit Windows. x64 means it is for 64-bit Windows. So please be careful. If you choose 32-bit, later on for Python and Eclipse, you also choose 32-bit. If you choose 64-bit here, later on for Python and Eclipse, you also choose 64-bit. So since I am using 64-bit Windows 10 operating system, so I am going to download 64, the x64 package. So just click this link, and then it starts to download Java JDK. So Java JDK, even though you are not writing Java language in this class, the Java JDK is required for the Eclipse to run correctly. So that's why you need to first install Java in your computer, in your operating system. Remember, it should be Java JDK, not just Java. So even though you installed Java in your operating system, you still need to install Java JDK. So after it is downloaded, now it's downloaded, we go to the file. So here, so what I need to do is double click to install. And then it starts the installation process. So we click the next. Just wait a few seconds, it won't last long. And then it is the JDK is being installed at this time. And then we click OK, and then we are installing the JRE as well, so click the next. So the JRE is being installed at this moment. So just wait for a few seconds. Again, it is not that long time. So after the installation, you will see successfully installed. So you click close, and then you are done for the Java. Next, we are going to install Python. So when you click the link in Canvas, you will come to this page. We are installing Python 3.7.2. So when you scroll down to the almost the end of the web page, you will see different files to be downloaded. So again, I'm using the Windows system. And then x86 means 32-bit. Here x86-64 means 64 bits. 86 means 32-bit. We are going to download again 64-bit because it should be the same with my Java, and then I choose the executable installer. Okay, just click this one, and then it will download that. Okay, after the downloading, okay, you just click this, and then you will see just say install now. Just click this one, and then make sure you need to click add Python 3.7 to path. This can set up your operating system environment variables correctly. Okay, so we can say install now, and then click yes, and then it starts installing. Again, a few seconds later, it won't last long. You will see that Python can be successfully installed in your computer. It may be longer than Java JDK, okay, because a lot of things. Okay, setup was successful. Then you click close. Okay, then you finished the Python installation. And then the last thing you need to do is the Eclipse. Okay, so again, when you click the Canvas link, you can come to this page. Here again, for the Windows system, you can either choose 32-bit or 64-bit. Definitely, I am going to choose 64-bit. You click that. Okay, you click the download, and then you can see that the Eclipse installer is being downloaded. And after this, you can see, okay, it is downloaded, and then you click this, and you can see that it is running at this time. Okay, so normally you need to wait for a few seconds, okay, to let the Eclipse installer to start up. Okay, it won't be that long, but you do need to wait for a while to let it start up. Because it needs to check, okay, your operating system, your environment. It may also check where your Java JDK is installed. Okay, now, okay, it start up. So there is a lot of Eclipse here. So which one to choose? Okay, in this class, you only need to choose the first one. Okay, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Even though you are going to be Python developers, we choose this one. Okay, we choose this one, the first one. Okay, so we click this, and then you can give a directory to install Eclipse, and then you just click install. Okay, and then you accept the license, and then it is installing. Okay, so you just, okay, then, okay, when this page come out, so you just click remember accepted licenses, and then click accept, and then the installation continues at this time. So it won't be just wait for a few seconds. It won't be that long. Okay, so okay, it is downloading some other packages. Okay, so you just wait for a while. And this is how you install Eclipse IDE. Okay. Eclipse is a wonderful IDE for Java and Python developers. Okay. if after this class you are going to take the Java class, we are still using the Eclipse IDE, okay, which is very, very powerful IDE. Okay, so and then definitely there are other powerful IDEs for Python and Java. For Python, for example, PyCharm, you can also do that. It is also a good IDE, but in this class, we will use Eclipse. So now, when we finish the installation, we just click Launch to first start Eclipse. Okay, you can see that the Eclipse is being started. So now the first thing here is you need to set up a directory which is called the working directory. In Eclipse we call workspace. It could be any folder. You can let it to let any directory, any folder to be your workspace. Okay, all your code, all your projects are saved in this directory. Okay, so suppose I'm going to say C and I'm going to say Dayu Wang, and I'm going to say my Python projects. Suppose this one, and then you click Launch. Okay, and then you can find all the Python projects later. Okay, I can find in that directory. Okay, this is called your workspace. Okay, so I highly recommend that in this class you create your own workspace. Okay, for this class. And then now this is the Eclipse. So now it is good for Java now, but it is not yet good for Python now. So because we need to, this is Eclipse for Java developer, we need to install an add-on to make sure we can also use Python in this IDE. So what we are going to do is we click Help, and then we choose Eclipse Marketplace. So we click this, okay, and then it will list all the add-ons for this version of Eclipse. So we just find PyDev, P-Y-D-E-V, okay, and then click type Enter. You can see PyDev, Python IDE for Eclipse. So we just click Install here. So it starts to install that, and we confirm here. Okay, again, when this page comes out, choose I accept the terms of the license agreements, and then click Finish. And then you will see the bottom, at the bottom right corner, okay, the add-on is being installed at this moment, the bottom right corner. Okay, and then it asks that you need to restart Eclipse. You click the Restart Now. And then, so now, okay, the PyDev is installed. So now we just close the welcome page. Okay, this is your working environment basically, and then you choose File, New, Project. Okay, this is what you need to do, Project, and then you will see that there is something called PyDev, and then you need to click that folder and choose PyDev Project. This is how you will finish your project, finish your coding assignment later on in this class, and then you click Next, and then you need to give the project name. Suppose it is, we call the welcome, okay, and then what you need to do is you need to set up the interpreter. Okay, you just click this. Please config an interpreter before proceeding, and then you can say config first in path. Choose the middle one, and then you just wait for a second. You can see that configuration in process, and then you just wait for a while, and it will show. Okay, now it's fine that you already have a Python installed in your operating system, so it's good. Then you click the finish, and then for this kind of project is associated with the Python perspective. Do you want to open this perspective now? Yes. Okay, I want to remember this decision and open perspective. Now you can see on the left side, you can see we have a project called welcome at this moment. And then you right-clicked the project and say new. This time I say file. Okay, new file. We create a new file. Let's see the maybe the file will be say welcome.py. Okay, the Python file also, the Python code also always has the extension of .py. Okay, and then click the finish. Okay, and then click OK, and then I can start coding. Okay, for example, I can start coding. For example, I can output welcome to CPT-135. Okay, save it. Okay, and then I can run this code. Okay, you can see that welcome to CPT-135. Okay, in the console. Okay, now then when you can say you can close your all your files and you can leave Eclipse. Okay, so suppose I finished the coding, and then I would like to submit my project, submit my assignment. What do I need to do? Here is what you need to do. You need to find where your workspace is. Okay, this is my workspace, and you will see that each project is a folder, okay, under your workplace. Okay, so you can click that, you can see all the files in that folder. So this is how you need to do. You need to right click the folder and then say send to compressed folder. You need to zip the entire folder of your project, and then you give your name or so, and then this zip file is the file you need to submit. Okay, so this is how to set up the coding environment for this class. Okay, if you have any questions, okay, you please feel free to ask, and I would be happy to help you. Okay, thanks.